your child's primary school enrollment in the next few years, or you'd like to stay in a mature estate with convenience and plenty of amenities? Bukit Panjang will be one of the top choice for young families looking for spacious HDB flats near to many good schools. Choices are Greenridge Primary, Beacon Primary, West Spring Primary, Zhenhua Primary, Westview Primary, and many more. Conveniently located in between Sega LRT and Fajar LRT stations, Block 427 Bukit Panjang Ring Road was built in 1989. Today I'm excited to show you this rarely available HDB 5-room flat above 13th floor. Exclusive private corner unit with only 3 other neighbours in a point block, this amazing property is 1,313 square feet. It's rare to find such large layout that comes with all windows facing unblocked views. Stepping into this spacious unit, the first thing that caught most attention will be a spacious and bright living hall area. Owner has spent more than 60,000 on renovations and furniture about 7 years ago. Living hall and balcony was leveled to maximize the usable space. The wall at the storeroom was removed, in place with built-in shelves for storage. At the same time, created the open concept kitchen with a unique cooking stove and hanging hood. This layout has a spacious kitchen yard too. The rubbish chute is well hidden and covered with built-in cabinets. The great layout comes with 4 good-sized bedrooms that fits king-size bed with full-height wardrobes, plus all bedrooms are unblocked views. The regular shaped bedrooms gives you many options to transform the various rooms as home office, study, entertainment area, kids room, and grandparents room. Spending quality time and creating beautiful memories with your loved ones. Both common and master bathrooms are in excellent condition with new waterproofing and new tiles since it was renovated. Fancy going for a jog or cycling nearby? Pang Suan Lake and Bukit Panjang Park is just a few minutes walk away. Great amenities to get your daily essential within minutes. Fajar Shopping Centre, Greenridge Shopping Centre, Bukit Panjang Plaza, Hillion Mall are just a stone throw away. For public transport, direct buses to Orchard within 45 minutes, and if you are driving, easy access to KJE and BKE to various places in minutes. Wait no more, contact me for exclusive viewing. This is IVU from AAG Division, OrangeTee and Thai, serving you since 1996.
AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and Thai.